In this video, you will learn how to do a point of interest search. If you are exploring business databases or infrastructure related indicators for your service area, you can go to create maps on the top and then go to a point of interest search. Once you're here, again under geography, we will make sure that our map extent is set to our sites. You can click on search and make sure that your sites are selected. This makes sure that this data is restricted to your service area and it doesn't show all the data outside of your service area. And so once we have restricted it to our area of interest, then under search, you can go to data source and it has a couple of options. It gives you data Excel, SafeGraph, Foursquare. These are some prominent business databases. So we can click on the search and then it shows some categories as a prompt, but then on the left side you can click on the category and it shows the different categories of businesses that are available. You can click on the side arrow and then it will show the sub indicators under each category. So under food and grocery stores, it's food stores, grocery stores. Let's select that. And as soon as we do that, we can do a search and it will show all the locations of food and grocery stores for our two counties. And it shows the basic summary statistics. You can go to the histogram here. It has a table. Again, you can export the table. So if you are a researcher studying food insecurity or healthy food, then you can look at the availability of these stores by different neighborhoods and identify where the greatest need is. We can save this layer and hit OK. And close. And so now as you zoom in, this is a cluster marker map. And so as you zoom in, these numbers indicate the number of stores or the number of points in that neighborhood. And as you zoom in, it will split further. Okay. Similarly, if you want to choose any other variables, then again, we are going to do create maps, a POI search, and make sure our data is set to, our map extent is set to our sites. And then this time we can do SafeGraph. And again, under category, we can see what categories are available. We can also do it by industry code. So the code 123 code that you see, these are the primary business code mixed classification. And so you can search from any of this and explore variables of your interest. This is how you do a point of interest search.